morning everyone, my name is Nayera and welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, this is just a daily morning routine / healthy breakfast. As you can see right here, I'm just getting ready to start my day. I'm starting off by making my bed. And get jiggy with it. Get it. Below are just some products that I use every morning. I'll leave the products in the description box of where I got them. So right here, I'm just going to speed up the process a little bit so the video is not too long. Yes, girl, you better scrub. It is very important that you get all over your face while doing this step because it ensures that you get all of the dirt and muck out of your face. Clearly, I was feeling myself. Now I'm just using the back side of the brush to make sure I'm getting everything and all the excess dirt out of my face. Now this part is totally your preference, but I just like to rinse my face with cool water to close my pores after cleaning. Now I just like to get a clean towel and pat your face dry. Don't rub it or scrub it to irritate your skin, just pat. So this product right here, I basically picked it up from Ulta, and it's basically just a toner for your face to clean out the remaining dirt that you didn't get while scrubbing your face. this very moment, you know your girl was feeling herself a little too much. I cannot even imagine to tell you guys how much I actually love coconut oil. Like, I use this product everywhere. My face, my hair, my body, everywhere. Just love it. Now you don't want to pour too much because this is an oil and it's very greasy. Your girl's glowing. And now when I'm finished applying the coconut oil to my face, I get the same clean towel and I wipe some of the excess oil off because you don't want to be looking like a grease monkey. Right here, I'm just making a quick, healthy breakfast. I'm starting off with 2 blueberries and cream oatmeal packets, and I just pour them in the bowl. Right here, I just smell the milk, and this step is totally optional, but I just add a little bit of milk for extra flavor. Wow. I'll just put the oatmeal in the microwave for a minute or so. I think I actually took it out a little bit earlier. This is the final result, and yeah, I'm about to just tear it up. Alright, y'all, so I'm off to start my day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.